up this free bot. Click on this button and you will be able to get paid again and again no matter where you are coming from. Brazil, Spain, Indonesia, Nigeria, United States, Russia, South Africa, and so on. No matter where you are, this will work out for you. All of these people you see here are making thousands of dollars, investing hours and hours of their precious time and effort. But thanks to this bot, you will be able to do literally the same thing, except the work amount will be reduced to zero. If you want to get paid big time, then make sure you keep watching this video because I will explain everything step by step. With that said, even though this is a great way to get paid online and it can get you excellent results compared to the work involved, this will not make you rich and you cannot use this strategy to make money online in the long term. So if you're interested in making money online, not just for now, but for the months and years that are to come, be sure to click on that very first link down below in the description. There, you will be able to see how you can start making money online as a complete beginner, and how I started doing so myself actually, and in completely passive income. And with all of that said, let's now jump straight into this tutorial, guys. As you've heard prior, I have an awesome free tool to share with you that will do literally all of the work for you, allowing you to make big money online, but not doing any work at all, unlike most of the people I will show you in this video. Since I have a few platforms to show you though, please make sure you stay patient and keep watching, because if you skip ahead, chances are you'll just get confused. You won't know what you need to do and this will not work out for you. So the very first platform that you will need to go over to, guys, is called guru.com. I assume most of you already know what Guru is and what it's about. For those of you who perhaps don't, let me explain it real quick. Guru is basically a freelancing platform. On here, you can come and find work or find people to do the work for you if you're either unwilling or just don't have the expertise to do it yourself. You can, for example, come on here and edit videos for people. You can write transcripts. If you're fluent in 2 or more languages, you can be a translator, and so on and so forth. Now, let's make this clear right away. I will not tell you to come onto this platform and pay someone to do something for you. This is a 100% free strategy. You will literally not have to invest a cent into this, and you'll still be able to do this and get paid. Before I show you what service we will be offering on this site to make money online, I need you guys to sign up to guru.com first. To do that, you need to click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. On the next page, you will now be able to choose sign up with Facebook, LinkedIn, or Google. Or you can sign up via email, in which case you'll need to enter in your full name in this box here and your email address just below. Then tick this box and click on Proceed. From there, what happens is they will ask you to enter in a bunch of info about yourself. By the way, this is why I would highly recommend signing up via Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn. It's much faster. Either way, if you opted to sign up via email, you would need to create a password, username, they'll ask you where you're from, you'll have to upload a profile picture of yourself, and so on. Just basic questions and requests like that, and once you fill all of that in, you will be able to sign up to this website and then log in. And once you do so, this is how everything will look. In order to find work on Guru, all you have to do is just click on Find Work here, and you can now search for anything and everything. When you get hired, you will do the job and, of course, get paid. Now that you have your account on Guru, you will want to create one as well on a few other freelancing platforms. There are so many of them out there, so here are my top recommendations. The first one is a site called peopleperhour.com. I have mentioned this platform time and time again on my channel, and it's not without reason. Not only is it an awesome freelancing site, but unlike, for example, Fiverr, it doesn't have that much competition. But at the same time, it's also not unpopular, and it does get a decent number of customers, meaning that you can make a decent amount of money offering your services on here. To sign up, you'll just have to click on the sign up button right up here. The next 2 sites I would recommend you to also sign up for are flexjobs.com and freelancer.com. To sign up on FlexJobs, just click on Sign Up located here. To sign up on Freelancer, you'll need to click on the Sign Up button located right up here. By the way, I won't go over the sign-up process for these sites since it'll just prolong this video and since it's basically no different than on guru.com. Enter in your email, password, all that stuff. They'll ask you where you're from and so on and so forth. And now that you have an account on all of those websites, it's finally time for me to show you what service you will want to offer. And I will be using Fiverr here as a good example of how much money you can make offering one particular type of service: photo background removal. And yes, believe it or not, a lot of people are paying freelancers for removing backgrounds for photos because they simply don't know how to. And check this out. This person has had around 1,700 reviews, charging $5 at minimum for removing a background, meaning that we're talking about $8,500 or so made at the bare minimum. This is because not everyone leaves a review, and not everyone goes for the cheapest option. So do keep in mind that, guys, even though I am estimating the money made to be as low as possible, it's still quite a bit of money, which shows just how much potential this has. Anyhow, check this out. This person is charging $10 at a minimum and has had over 5,000 reviews. So we're talking about $5,000 made or so. And this person here I found has made the most money by far. Over 4,000 reviews, charging $5 at minimum. That's like $20,000 made just removing backgrounds. How insane is that? Point being here, you can make tons of money removing backgrounds as the demand is extremely high. These people have all made thousands of dollars on Fiverr, which is crazy competitive. You will be able to get similar numbers on the other platforms I've shown you because the competition is not nearly as high. With all of that said and done now, here is the website that will do all of the work for you. It's called removal.ai. This will, for absolutely free, remove a background from any image in literally seconds, as I will now show you. All you need to do is either drag the photo in here like so, or open it up from your PC. And check this out. Once I dragged the photo in there that I found online, it literally took seconds for this to do all of the work for me that would otherwise take hours for other people having to do the same in Photoshop. All I need to do now is just click on the download button here to download this to my PC. If you want the highest quality image, you will have to invest a tiny amount of money into this site. But keep in mind, you don't have to do that up front. You can get paid for removing backgrounds on a few images for free, download them with a slightly lower quality, and then send them over to your customers and get paid. You will then take a part of that money and just invest it into this platform since it isn't that much. We're talking about 47 cents per image whose background you will remove. And since you charge $5 at a bare minimum, it's a no-brainer that this is a worthwhile investment indeed. In this fashion, you can literally remove backgrounds from dozens of images within a few minutes. And each and every one of those would earn you $5. The money most definitely adds up very quickly, guys. Even though it's not in passive income, this is as easy of a strategy as one can get. If you want to see more videos on making money online, then click on one that should pop up on the screen in a moment now. And with that said, if you like this video of mine, then do me a favor and give it a thumbs up below. Every single one helps. If you haven't already, make sure you tap the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon in some of the upcoming content.